Good morning, children. Let's start the class with a beautiful thought. By education, I mean an all round drawing of the best in child and man and body, mind and spirit, which is said by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Such a beautiful quote. Welcome to grade 8 English grammar class. The topic for the day will be continuing with voice part 3. Okay, children, let's continue with voice part 3. With the sentences in present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. Now, children, let's see the rules for present perfect tense. Here we are using has or have. That's the third form of the verb. In active voice, in passive voice, we are using has been or have been plus the third form of the verb. For example, girl has clicked selfie, girls have clicked selfie, girls have clicked selfies. And in passive voice, we are saying selfie has been clicked by a girl, selfie have been clicked by girls, selfies have been clicked by girls. Now let's take a look with an example in present perfect tense. The house has been built at last. The verb here is built, which is given in the bracket. When we are using it in the present perfect, we are using it as has been built. Let's take one more example. She has worked at the same bank for years. So that is in the present perfect tense. Has worked. Let's see one more example in the present perfect tense for the active voice. My sister and her husband have been together for years. He's gone to Mexico. He'll be back soon. So for the verb here go, we are using as is gone. He's gone. When we are saying he's gone, the word is. It is being used in short form. That's he's gone to Mexico. He'll be back soon. Now let's move on to the sentences which can be used in the past perfect tense. Now in active voice, when we can say he had taken lunch, in the passive voice, lunch had been taken by him. You had made a house had been made by you. She had cooked meal had been cooked by her. They had not written a letter had not been written by them. We had not read the book had not been read by us. Had I helped you? Had you been helped by me? Let's see how we can use the words here. Had been in the past perfect tense. In the active voice, we can say they had won the game, whereas in the passive voice, we can say the game had been won by them. They had not won the game had not been won by them. Had they won the game? Had the game been won by them? He had collected coins. Coins had been collected by him. Now let's quickly move on to the rules for future perfect tense. In the active voice, we will use will have plus the third form of the verb, whereas in the passive voice, we are using will have been or the third form of the verb. Let's see in the case of the active voice, girl will have clicked selfie. Selfie will have been clicked by girl. Girls will have clicked selfie. Selfie will have been clicked by girls. Girls will have clicked selfies. Selfies will have been clicked by girls. Have a quick recap, students. Rewrite the sentences in passive voice. The first one is done for you. The tables had been cleaned by Joe. Let's see the first sentence. We had lost the key. The key had been lost by us. They had started a fight. A fight had been started by them. I had been reading an article had been read by me. I had not closed the window had not been closed by me. They had not bought the paper had not been bought by them. She had not noticed me, I had not been noticed by her. Had she solved the problem, had the problem been solved by her? Had he recorded that song, had that song been recorded by him? We move on to the home assignment. Let's see the first sentence. She has lost her purse. Her purse has been lost by her. The second one, I have posted some letters. Some letters have been posted by me. He had won the election. The election had been won by him. Fourth one, we have knocked the door. The door have been knocked by us. Fifth one, you will have completed this painting. This painting will have been completed by me. She had finished her homework. Her homework had been finished by her. Seventh one, she had read the story. The story had been read by her. Eighth one, I have placed an order. An order has been placed by me. Ninth one, Raj has secured the highest runs. The highest runs have been secured by Raj. Well, thank you, children. That's all for today's class. God bless you all.